Hello, I'm CA ACCA Avanti. I recently scored AIR second and 10th in the world for APM, a paper of ACCA, and became ACCA qualified. I started ACCA after I completed CA and kick-started my journey with VG classes. Since it was a relatively new course, I got guidance and direction about how to proceed in these exams. Today, I am an ACCA faculty myself and guiding several students through various levels of ACCA. It is an international course recognized in 180 countries and which gives exposure to Indian students for lucrative job profiles in European, Asian, and Australian markets. ACCA has student friendly, structured, and streamlined examinations, which will give us knowledge of international accounting, auditing standards, international business laws, corporate laws, and finance practices. It is a delight to be a part of this revolution of ACCA in our country and to share my knowledge and guide students in this course. Thank you.